Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1955 Pontiac Chieftain Hardtop. Nice car. Actually has skirts too. They're chrome and in the trunk. Very original car with one repaint. Got a new battery in it. Disc brake conversion. Interior has also been redone. Original motor. Bench has been redone too. It's the original fabric. Also the original color combination on this car. Starts right up. It's really good. Showing 68,705 miles. Original radio too. Hey Peter, can you fire it up? Can you fire it up? Yeah, they're in it. Yeah, new battery, single downdraft carburetor, points and condenser. I had the keys upside down. Smells real nice. It's like 90 degrees here right now. It's a very original car. Radio's not working. All the lights work. Needs a neutral safety shift switch too. Can you turn the headlights on? And then the blinker. The other side. Cool. Just gonna do the back too, okay, Peter? 1 second. Blinker on the right. Blinker on the left. And hit the brakes. There you go. Nice. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. This one's priced to sell. And I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.